All right, so we're rolling. We're going to double check and make sure the power is off, and we're going to install this guy. So I love this little tester. I've had it for years. I think I stole it from my dad. Sorry, Dad, I didn't mean to. Somehow it ended up in my stuff. If you want it back, you can have it, I guess. But I have used it for years, and if it doesn't light up, it means the power is off. So I know it's off because I shut it off and the air conditioner went off as well. But just to show you, always want to double check and make sure you have no power when you're doing this. All right. And guys, I did wire this whole shop myself and had it inspected and it passed. So that's pretty awesome for somebody who has no electrician skills to pass the inspection. So I was pretty impressed with my skill level. So we got our two positives, our two hots, really, and our two neutral wires, and our ground. This has to go back and replace the where this smart plug was, because I told my wife, I said I needed one. And I was going to take her. She said, well, fine, I don't like it anyways. And I looked her dead in the eye and I said, oh, okay. That's what I said. No problem. It worked out good for me. So, all right, here we go. We're going to do our line here. You can... Everywhere I looked, they took off a wire and do it, but we're going to combine them. So our can you see it okay? Yeah, we're going to do our white, which is our neutral, and our line, which is our hot wire on this side. So we'll take these two. Maybe we'll. Stay. And we do got more white. Take our ground. Maybe it'll fit. I'm sure all you electricians are probably rolling your eyes at me, but that's okay. This did pass inspection at one time. It probably wouldn't now. I don't know. Tennessee has some codes. I wouldn't say that. We really don't have the code enforcement here like you do at other big cities. Let's get at least one of these in here. Other. Like that. Okay. All right. Let's see if it comes on. We'll leave that live. Well, let's see. Let you see it. We do have power. So let's finish her up. The one thing about it does get tight. These boxes are a little bit bigger, so you kind of got to push a little bit harder. I have noticed that you do have to keep it a little bit looser sometimes. We'll deal with that in a minute. Yay. Whew. But as you can tell, I told you the shop was fully wired. So there it is installed. I'll have to figure out why that's not wanting to stay on there. But there's our smart plug. Hopefully it did connect back up. And let's go back to the desk.